this video, I will show you how to change your region on Lyft. So first of all, open up your Lyft app, and from here you can either change your region through scheduling a ride, and I'm going to show you how you can do that in a bit. And I'm going to show you how you can do it by changing your home address. So by default, your region will actually be changed. I'm going to start with the scheduling of a ride. So you're going to click on schedule a ride, and then you're going to click on start, and then just go ahead and add your location. So let's say I'm going to add this location in Vancouver, and let's say Vancouver International Airport. Then I'm going to select this, and then you're going to select a destination. So let's pick something in Vancouver, the MacArthur Glen, and then you are basically changing your region to this. And that is how you do it. It's really easy and straightforward. Now I'm going to show you how you can change your region through changing your home address, and that is by clicking on the three stripes at the top left. And from here, you're going to scroll down, then you're going to click on settings. And in your settings, you're going to click on home at the top, and you can see that is right now set to Manhattan, New York. And if you want to change it, you are going to click on this in here, and then you're going to enter a location and then click on done. And then this will be your default region on Lyft. So that is how you do it. It's really easy and straightforward. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.